Welcome Uttarakhand.
Considered as one of the magnificent fort of Rajasthan, Mehrangarh Fort was built by Rao Jodha in the year 1459 AD. Because of its splendid architecture, the history, along with the gods associated with it, it holds the pride of place in Jodhpur. There are 7 gates which can be used to enter Mehrangarh Fort, and these 7 gates are made by different rulers in honor of victory over Bikaner and Jaipur armies. Different galleries showcasing an amazing collection of decorative items and artifacts. Starting with Palki Gallery, here you will see a spectacular collection of different palkis used by men and women at that era. Now when you enter the Daulat Khana, you will see splendid treasures like goblets, locks and keys, coins that were used in that era, and many other things.
सरिया
A very fine collection of miniature paintings and artwork belonging to the Marwadi school are kept in the painting gallery. In Textile Gallery, you will see amazing collection of carpets, canopies, tent walls, garments, and many other things that were used in that century. Now we are walking toward the different mahals, starting with Sheesh Mahal. It was once the private room of Maharaja Ajit Singh, beautifully decorated with glass work. Here you will see many deities of Lord Rama and Krishna. Phool Mahal. The room was made to look as beautiful as flower and thus earned the name Phool Mahal. The ceilings are made up of gold, built by Maharaja Abhay Singh, reserved as pleasure room for female dancers, or we can say that female dancers used to perform here. This is Peeping Mahal or Jhanki Mahal. The royal ladies used to watch the official proceeding going on the courtyard from these mahal. Now all the royal cradles are kept here. In the arms gallery or the armory, you will see guns, rifles, swords of many kings, including the Rao Jodha's khanda that weighed over than 7 pounds. Takhat Vilas is a decorated palace room and a personal chamber of Maharaja Takhat Singh. It took 6 years to construct it. It is decorated from floor to ceiling with folk style and European paintings. This is Moti Mahal, a conference room in 16th century by Raja Savai Singh. It's a public hall where king met with court visitors and subjects. Behind those curtains, 5 queens would sit unseen and listen to the court proceedings. This is Janani Dodi, or a place that is completely dedicated to women's, or we can say all the women's of this fort used to live in this particular area. You can shop whatever you want and you can enjoy whatever Rajasthani meal you want to enjoy in this fort. Now the garden you are watching is Raja Ram Meghwal Garden. He was buried under this garden and this completely garden is dedicated to him. Now with this word, alive buried, it's the time to tell you the curse, the sacrifice and the story of this fort. The fort was started to build since 13 May 1459 by Rao Jodha, the founder of Jodhpur. He wished to build it in the hilltop of Masuria Hill, but there was shortage of water, so he decided to build it on Panchtiya Hill. There was a waterfall. A yogi named Chirayanath used to live here. He was told that he has to remove his hut from the place because the king wants to make a fort here. He refused, but the king began to build his fort on the same place. The angry yogi broke his hut himself and left the place. He cursed the king that you would never get the water, due to which I have to leave this place. It is said that there has always been shortage of water in Jodhpur state. Now Rao Jodha advised by a tantric that if an alive man be buried in the foundation, the fort will always be with the makers and his descendants. The king made proclamation across the strait that whoever is ready to bury his family will be given royal patronage and immense wealth. A Hindu in Shudra category man was ready to be buried. He was buried alive and his family was given a tract of land which was known as Rajbagh later.